Hello everyone, Ksenia's here. In today's video, I'll tell you about the Quick Shape tool in Procreate. This option helps you to make the perfect lines and shapes. For example, you need to draw a perfect line. It probably won't happen if you do it by yourself. But if you hold down your Apple Pencil at the end of the line, you'll invoke the Quick Shape tool and your line will snap to a straight and perfect one. Quick Shape tool works not only with the lines, it also can be applied to arcs, ellipses, triangles, and rectangular shapes. If you created a shape and it's still not perfect, keep holding your Apple Pencil and place one finger to your canvas. Doing this turns a rectangle into a square, an oval into a circle, or an even triangle into an even one. If you want to scale or rotate your shape or line, don't leave the tip of the pencil from the screen. Keep holding and drag to adjust the scale and rotation of your shape or line. That will let you freely rotate your line or shape. If you want to rotate the shape in 15 degrees increments, hold a finger on the screen. Also, if you lift your Apple Pencil from the screen, you'll see a popped-up message on the top with the possibility to edit the freshly drawn shape. The available options are determined by your initial shape. These appear as buttons in the notification bar. So, for example, if you drew a rectangle, you'll have the options to keep it as a rectangle or to make it a square. Also here, into Edit Shape mode, you'll see Transform nodes. Drag a node to adjust the part of your shape. To scale your shape uniformly, drag the shape itself at any location between the nodes. When you're done, tap anywhere on the canvas to exit Edit Shape mode. For even finer control over Quick Shape tool, navigate to Actions, Crafts, Gesture Controls, Quick Shape. Here you can set up and adjust many touch and pencil shortcuts and settings to integrate Quick Shape tool into your workflow. And that's it for the Quick Shape tool. Hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you still have any questions, write them down in the comment section down below. If you like this video and want to know more about Procreate instruments, check out other videos from this series. See ya!